Welcome everyone to a journey of discovery and wellness. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of a humble yet powerful plant, the stinging nettle. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover how this vibrant green wonder can transform your health and vitality. Yes, you heard that right, stinging nettle. Don't let the name scare you. These little green powerhouses are packed with more goodness than you can imagine. First up, nutrients. Nettle is loaded with vitamins and minerals like A, C, iron, and potassium. It's like a multivitamin straight from Mother Nature. Feeling those pesky allergies? Nettle is a natural antihistamine. It can help soothe those sniffles and sneezes. Say goodbye to itchy eyes and hello to clear breathing. Need a natural energy boost? Nettle can help with that too. It's packed with iron, which helps fight fatigue and keeps you feeling energized all day long. Now, how do we unleash this nettle power? Let's make some nettle tea. Get your nettle. Find fresh nettle leaves, wear gloves, or dried nettle from a reputable source. Boil water. Bring water to a rolling boil. Steep. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried nettle, or a handful of fresh nettle to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Strain the tea to remove the leaves and enjoy. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor. You can also add nettle to smoothies, soups, or even cook it like spinach. The possibilities are endless. But remember, always start with small amounts and listen to your body. And if you have any health conditions or are on medication, chat with your doctor first. Now, I want to hear your nettle stories. Have you tried it? What amazing benefits have you experienced? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the nettle love. Go out there and unleash your inner superhero with the power of nettle.